We made it. 8 hours later, we made it to Florida. We're in Keystone Heights, Florida.
The motorhome is at Flex Armor. Flex Armor is a no maintenance roof, guaranteed for life to never leak.
We're going to spend a week in a hotel, but we have
I'm so excited.
A lot of fun things planned. Highly recommend walking around St. Augustine.
Starting off almost in Florida, we're at a TA using our open roads. One of the nice things about being able or having a diesel motorhome, go right to the truck stop. It's pretty awesome. Everything fills up faster. We get the discount with the TA card. We have about 2 hours, actually less than 2 hours, and we should be at our next destination. Another advantage of being at the truck stops is you have the long pole to get the windshield crust off. We never used to get that with Nelly. I had to be up on like my tippy toes. You can never reach the top of the windshield. So we had a little bit over half a tank in the motorhome. That's what we took, top it off, $181.49. It'll be less. This is not going to reflect the discount we get. I think it was like, I don't know, 15 cents a gallon less. And I always top it off with some everyday treatment, Hot Shot Secret. So it goes 1 ounce for every 25 gallons. We put 47 gallons. I just stored 2 ounces in. It goes right into the diesel fuel tank. That's going to increase the cetane level. It's also going to help lubricate the injectors. It's highly recommended from diesel mechanics. I like it.
We made it. 8 hours later, we made it to Florida. We're in Keystone Heights, Florida. Where are we?
Well, right now we're in the car, but the motorhome is at Flex Armor. This is actually their headquarters. So Flex Armor kind of franchises out, but it all started down here. So
what is Flex Armor for those of you that may not know?
Flex Armor is a no maintenance roof, guaranteed for life to never leak, no maintenance. I know somebody's going to say, hey, why are you doing that? You have a one-piece fiberglass. You shouldn't do that. You're stupid. I know somebody's going to say that.
I don't think they would say you have very...
Well, no, they did.
Somebody said you're stupid?
Yeah, because when we said we were doing the no maintenance roof on our upgrades, they said you guys are stupid. Why are you doing that?
Well, guess
because there's no maintenance, right? Like you never, especially with the solar panels. Like
right. There's a lot going on up there.
You just clean it. That's it. You don't have to do seals and any of that.
9 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're going to meet them. They're going to take Stella in and get to work. So this is about a week-long job or so. Obviously, they don't work on the weekends because they have to take off the awnings and everything. So it's a little bit more involved than, say, if we had Nelly instead. So we're going to spend a week in a hotel, but we have
I'm so excited.
A lot of fun things planned. We're going to hit up some really cool places. So this is going to be a fun trip. We're going to see another YouTube channel that many of you know. We're actually going to see them on Saturday. So stay tuned. It's going to be filled with fun.
Getting ready to go in, leave now. Stella.
Oh my gosh.
For a few days. I'm just cleaning up the bugs here. We got some friends behind us. MJ's going to show you.
Oh, they're so cute. This one black dog, you'll see him bouncing up above the fence. They have, I think, 5 dogs here. Where is he? There he is. Oh, he's so cute. That definitely is warming my heart. Oh, I love it. So cute. So yeah, we're very excited to be bringing Stella in to get her no maintenance roof. We're gonna head to we're gonna do some filming, then we're gonna head to the gym and then check into our hotel for the week. Are you excited?
Very.
So we just left Flex Armor. They started this morning. A lot of work. We got a better understanding of their process, and we think it's probably the best one out there. We'll explain more about that. We have a full video coming out on that, and we fully explain. But anyway, it's hot out. 88 today. we're kind of a little bit of a heat wave. We're late September and it's going to be in the 90s all week, but we're not complaining.
No, it's
Sunny,
not cold. It's not
warm.
gray.
We like it. We're headed to Planet Fitness. We're going to pick up something to eat after, and then we're checking into our hotel, and then we'll probably go back to Flex Arms, kind of get an update. We're doing a video on that, so we're going to be updating. I think it's a 4 or 5 day process. It's quite a lot, but we're looking forward to it. And we have a bunch of exciting things we're doing outside of Flex Armor. We're heading out to different places in Florida, so we're really excited about that.
A good workout means you're going to be hungry after. So we found this place, Izzy found it. It's called Kaizen Kitchen. It's just a takeout place. You can't go in. It used to be like a pizza place, you can see. I think they've only been open since early summer, but they have all different bowls. So we did a create your own bowl. I'm so hungry. This smells so amazing. So I got,
tasted this
it's
yet.
rice. No, I'm drooling. I got rice, coconut rice, shrimp, roasted red peppers, mushrooms, some cheese, green onions, sesame seed. Just you can top it with all different things. It smells amazing.
Is it good? Is it worth the wait?
Yes. It's so good.
I got cilantro rice, mushrooms, cabbage and slaw, sauteed onions. Did they miss the avocado mash? It might be in here. I don't know, there's a bunch of stuff in here. It smells really good.
All right, you try. You got to try this place, guys.
Oh,
It's very good.
It's got a 4.7 on Google, which is pretty good. It would come back here.
Oh,
for sure.
yeah.
This is the real Florida. Sand roads, pavement ends. I love it.
Oh, looks like that guy's having fun up there.
Yeah, this is like the when the tourists don't come.
I feel like we're off-roading.
We saw a state park over by here that we may visit sometime. I'm shaking a little bit. We may visit sometime in the winter, because I don't think this one's gonna get too packed over here from what we're looking at.
Hotel life. It's always a nice change from the RV life. You just get a little break, kind of spread the wings a little bit. We're at a Holiday Inn in Stark, Florida. I don't think people really vacation here.
Looking at a tourist spot.
There's a lot of construction workers staying here. It's a beautiful hotel. If you're ever in the area, if you're going to get Flex Armor done, this would be a good place to stay. We're going to go to Flex Armor, kind of check in, see how everything's going. And then today we're going to go spend the day in St. Augustine, which is the oldest city in the United States. We're really excited. We've never been there, heard great things. So we're going to head over there.
We were there for Buc-ee's. Just on a pass where we put fuel at Buc-ee's. That's the only time we've been there.
I don't remember that, but okay. But we're going to go spend a day. There's a lot of different touristy things and just things we want to check out. So, but we're going to pop into Flex Armor first. I think we had mentioned earlier that Sachin at RV Max went on a Costco shopping spree and bought us these little immunity shots. So this is Immunity Ginger Cayenne. It's a cold pressed probiotic juice shot. So we've been taking these. Ginger's really good for you. It's just, it can kind of burn your throat. So Izzy wants me to take this. So gives you a little punch, but it's good. We got elderberry.
I could smell it over here.
I know, that ginger is so strong, but it's good for you, and it takes 2 seconds. So, but yeah, they have elderberry too. I wonder if they have different.
We should mail those over to Jason. We'll buy him a pack and mail it to him.
Jason.
He might do it. He likes like hot
that is
food.
true, like spicy stuff. Yeah, maybe.
Getting what I did. What happened to you all night?
All right, I'm in heaven. So we just found it was a peanut butter store, basically.
Yeah, which is out of Cape May. Go
Out
figure.
of Cape May, New Jersey. Yeah, they have all different peanut butter flavors. They had peanut butter cups. We might have to make a stop back there on the way out. They had peanut butter cup like.
Are you gonna get the 8-pound one?
Oh gosh, no! It was huge, but oh man, I tried one. It was really good.
Got me confused, but I figured you out, but you're making me high. Right now, I'm falling out of love, oh my. 'Cause all I know is lately she got me wanting more for love. A better way of lately.
Highly recommend walking around St. Augustine. If you've never been here, this is our first time, so by no means are we experts at all. We're learning as we go along. But when you get here, if you park in the large parking lot, the visitors parking lot, and ask for help, those people are more than excited to give you a map and kind of start showing you where to go, what to do. So if you walk down St. George Street, it's about a mile long to the end and a half mile across. So right now the Leitner Museum is behind us. We haven't checked that out. And then across the street is Flagler College, which is a beautiful campus. We actually just walked through there. We love seeing college campuses. It's about 2,500 students, so it's not huge, but they have a decent sized campus. I actually
49
see
acres.
There's an auditorium over there. Yeah, it's a really good sized campus. Beautiful. They have a private pool we saw, beach volleyball courts, really, really nice. So we're going to keep walking around and seeing what else they have here.
Oh, it's 24/7, she feel like the one now. Girl, she's one of a kind and it's so hard to find down. Oh, it's 24/7, I'm feeling it now. Forget what I did, what happened to you, baby, all night. And do it for me, it feels like I'm losing my mind.
So here's a PSA. If you're on St. George Street, there is a pizzeria
Called Pizza Time.
called Pizza Time. They have a sign outside that says ranked the second best pizza in America, not in St. Augustine, in America. So, we fell for it. I'm like, I gotta try it.
I did. I was very doubtful, but we had to try it. And if you don't follow us, guys, we live in New Jersey. We have some of the best pizza in New Jersey, New York, Connecticut that you can get anywhere.
However, anyway, we got the slice.
Try it.
It's okay. It's maybe like a sec. It's not bad. It's not great. It's definitely not the second best pizza in America. But the slices are $5.50 a slice. So we had one slice.
I had a couple bites. It wasn't even worth the calories. To be honest.
It's just funny. We want your feedback. Have you been here? Again, it's not bad, but that is a strong claim. That's like saying, I get the best ice cream in the world.
Right. Yeah, we're not bashing the restaurant because they had all different kinds. Maybe the grandma's slice or maybe other slices are better. But again, it just for us coming from where we live, it just surprised.
There's definitely better pizza in Florida. There's a lot of good stuff down here. Definitely.
If you've been here and your experience with Florida pizza.
She got me wanting more for love, a better way of laying me out.
So another cool site here in St. Augustine is right behind us. This is Castillo de San Marco, constructed in 1672. So this is really old. It's part of the National Park Service, right on the water, a fort that's been around a long time. They do charge admission if you want to go inside, I guess, for a tour, but you're free to walk around, take pictures, and do whatever, and kind of see the outside if that's
And
what you want to do.
you can just sit over there actually and look at the beautiful houses across the way. It's really just a nice view.
Yeah, and if you take the tour trolley that they have, this is one of the stops. I've seen they stopped here, people come off, and they pick up the next trolley.
She's one of a kind and it's so hard to find down. Oh, it's 24/7, she feel like the one now.
Well, we just saw something that we never saw before, and I hope, that it works out for them. But anyway, what did we just see?
There's a car driving with its door open and like a dog in the back. I told MJ, I'm like, this is a total 1992 Cops episode when they have the patrol guys in the back. It's like, oh, that's odd. And then he tries to stop them and the car just takes off.
Take off. Yeah,
They crash and everybody runs. That's how they all start.
The only thing I can think of is maybe the door was stuck and it just, I don't know how it was just staying there though.
It was open a good
I did
6-8
good
inches.
at that, but it was just we wanted to share it with you. I never saw anything like that before.
So we got some good news. It looks like they're going to spray the roof today at Flex Armor. Now they don't work Saturday and Sundays, they're closed. So if they spray today, I would imagine that Monday they'd be putting everything back together, and then Tuesday they'd be done. We have the hotel to check out Wednesday, so
In a
we'll
quarter
see how it
mile,
works
turn
out.
right onto State Route 100 East.
Stella is looking good. She looks very, very nice. So we got everything pretty much complete today. It just has to dry now. So they did numerous coats.
I think it was 3 or 4 of the actual Flex Armor, which is the gray.
Right. And then the white, the top coating, which is more like a paint, the white on top. So now it just dries over the weekend. But it looks beautiful. It's such peace of mind because, we saw from step 1 to now what the preparation was something we've never seen. The attention to detail is amazing.
Right, yeah. So we had our roof done on Nelly, and we thought that was a lot of prep work. So they brought it down to the fiberglass. Like all the die-core was taken off. They grinded out all of our integrated gutters. I mean, it will never leak again.
Yeah.
Like, it will never leak. Extraordinary detail that they did, and we have full video coming out about it. But you really need to. I'm glad that we kind of seen the whole process, because when you go to different places, you know, there's different companies where we do this. I would urge, go somewhere where they're actually doing the work and watch what they're actually doing, and there is a difference.
So now we're headed out for some dinner. We're going to go to Cedar River Seafood Company in Stark, Florida, where we're staying. It's one thing I can't wait to get back in the RV. I'm over eating out. Like, I really want to eat back, both of us. We want to eat on the RV. We're going to try this place and see how it is. Then we have the weekend tomorrow. We have some really fun plans that we will bring you along, which will actually be part 2 of this. So you'll have to stay tuned for that.
It looks like we're going to be wrapped up Monday, which is a day earlier than we're supposed to. So we're going to try to book a campground for extend one night at a campground we're headed to. We're supposed to head to Wednesday. But we're going to end the vlog here because we have a lot more activities this weekend for part 2, like MJ said. So put in the comments below if you have a aftermarket RV roofing system. What do you think about the Flex Armor system? Again, we'll have a full video on that. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV vlogs playlist. We'll also put our RV campground reviews playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime.
See you on the road.